back and forth talk ahead of time on social media. How did that affect you? There was a lot of adversity then, maybe during training camp. Let's talk a little bit about that.
So I have a lot of stuff going on in my normal everyday life. I don't have time for, I'm trying not to cuss. I don't have a lot of time for bullcrap on social media. I don't pay attention to it. I walk it like I talk it. I know what I bring to the table, so I don't pay attention to that stuff. At the end of the day, I know who I am and what I'm doing in life and how hard I work, so all the other stuff doesn't faze me.